Hello, this is Gary with Aldan American. Today we're going to show you our single adjustable coilover kit for the 68 to 72 Chevelle. Included with the kit is the coilover rear shocks, coilover front shocks. The front coilover shock uses a spring seat on the bottom. The spring fits over the shock just like this so that the bottom is adjustable for ride height, and then the top will fit in your original upper spring pocket. The kit includes rear lower brackets. These brackets are robotic welded, powder coated, made in America, high quality brackets. Provided in the kit is all new grade 8 hardware. Also available is our optional thrust bearings, part number ALD26, and our lower control arm reinforcing plates for the front, ALD39. Follow along as we install this kit on our 72 Chevelle. Here's the front of our 72 Chevelle. We're going to install our single adjustable rebound shock. Check it out. The first thing we're going to do on our installation is we're going to take our thrust bearings that have already been greased. We're going to set them on top of the spring seat. Now we're going to take our spring and set the spring on top of the seat. And the reason we use the thrust bearings is it makes it easier to adjust the ride height. We want to make sure this upper spring is pocketed into the spring pocket. We're now going to take our new 3/8 bolts and we're going to put them down. So now the reinforcing plate is going to sit between the T-bar and the lower control arm, and we're going to pull the lower control arm up and align everything up. Now that we have everything assembled, we want to torque our lower bolts to 35 foot-pounds. We've already removed our spring and our original shock, and now we're going to install the upper coilover brackets. We're now going to take our single adjustable rear shock. Our rebound knob, I like to take and go full counterclockwise and 1, 2, 3 clicks as a starting point. Now we're going to take our lower coilover bracket and mount it to the lower trailing arm bolt and shock bracket. This particular Chevelle has a 9-inch Ford, so what we had to do on the lower shock bracket is cut a little window in so that our shock bracket would clear. We're now going to torque all of our 1/2-inch bolts to 75 foot-pounds. So now what we're going to do is we want to put 1 inch of preload on our spring. So this is a 12-inch spring. Right now it's at 11 3/4. So we're going to turn our spring seat up so that the spring length is 1 inch, and that will be our preliminary setting. After we have set our ride height, we want to take our Allen key and we want to tighten our set screw. And what you want to do is when it's got a little bit of resistance on it, just give it like a 1/4 of a turn extra to tighten it in place. Now it's tight. For more information about coilover shocks for your GM A-body, you can always go to aldanamerican.com or give us a call and talk to one of our sales guys.